Welcome everyone. It is with great excitement that I'm introducing you this grade 9 curriculum guided by the driving question. How will transforming and restoring our South African history curriculum help us reflect and bring back our African identity? The structure is integrated into this project where English, whereby we have to write an essay and articles dedicated to the Minister of Education, as well as FAL, where we had to write emails to the Minister of Education, as well as computing, whereby we had to make websites that incorporates everything that we were doing throughout this whole project. So right now, I'd like people around me to give us more on this theme of decolonization.
And welcome to our Grade project exhibition. This term, we as a Grade 9 have been given the opportunity to decolonize our community. But wait, decolonize. Why and what do we mean by decolonize the curriculum? Aren't you already free? Haven't you lived your money onto education system? But first, let us understand what is decolonization. Decolonization is a process where colonists become free of their colonizing country. Now we understand that South Africa was colonized by both the Dutch and the British. Already two colonizing countries taking away our forces. However, some may say that that era is over. Apartheid has ended. But can I ask you something? Has it? To truly be free is not only breaking the shackles that once held us down. It is also being free mentally and moving away from the way in which we were taught to think by the president. The core principles of the decolonization of the education system are to uplift African culture, customs, identity, and values. These principles will be put in place to ensure that the next generation of young African students will have a better understanding of their history. And by learning their history, they will feel pride and excellence, which will lead to a promotion of the African identity. And learning it is very meaningful. I get to understand who I am. I get to understand where I come from. I don't have to learn about Europe anymore. I get to know what my forefathers did years ago. I get to know what the empires that were built out of this very soil work on every day. I get to understand this is who I am. I am an African child. I am born on the soil. I am from here. And learning about these things will make me feel empowered. I will understand that this is who I am. I will no longer want to be white. I will be happy with the fact that I am black. And I will feel amazing about it. We learn about Europe only, but we don't have much of a connection. We only hear about the achievements of the West. Then we tend to forget ourselves and do not recognize or remember our own history. This is a continuous cycle, which we hope to end with this curriculum. Thank you all for listening.
And how do you think this can positively affect us learners?
Okay, to answer your question, in short, by trying to find the effect, we have to try and find what the purpose is. And the purpose of this whole initiative is to decolonize our minds. And in doing that, we have to understand how to do it. And we do this by implementing past diverse knowledge systems where students will be able to learn about themselves in a more Afrocentric perspective. And in doing this, they will learn to be proud of themselves. They will learn to be proud of the fact that we live on the soil of the cradle of humankind. The fact that most of humanity originated from here and spread out is really what could help us have a strong sense of self-identity. And in doing this, they learn to be strong in themselves, and we learn to raise innovators, we learn to raise entrepreneurs that will change the world, not to be American, but to be African and to be proud of it.